Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day guarantee for Week 7, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Guarantee has 3 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the third syllable, T. So we say guarantee, guarantee. It can be used either as a verb or as a noun. But we're going to have you learn the verb definitions, and so you should use it as a verb for your flashcard. Let's go to the first one. The first definition is to promise to do something. To promise something will happen. Like a lot of you always say, okay, Maestro, I will show you my home fund tomorrow. I promise. I guarantee it. Or Mr. X might say, okay, I'm going to promise to teach this lesson tomorrow. Or I'll give you more time to finish tomorrow. I'm going to guarantee it. Or we can use as an example our academic word sentence, which is essayist, which is someone who writes essays. Essayist Bertrand Russell wrote that an insight untested and unsupported is insufficient to guarantee that it is true. An insight, do you know what an insight is? Revelation. You write these all the time in your journals. But Bertrand Russell said that you might have an insight, but unless you test it, or you find evidence that supports it, then we cannot guarantee. It's not enough to guarantee that it's true. You can't promise me that it's true unless you have some evidence or you test it. Okay? So here maybe you have a person giving a speech and saying, life is beautiful. And that's his insight. And someone in the audience going, well, you need to give me some evidence. It's not tested. You need a citation. Maybe some, tell me somebody or some book that wrote about this that proves that life is beautiful. The second definition is to just give a written promise. This is in the sales. This is the one that most of you are familiar with, especially those of you who work in sales or in a store. To give a written promise to replace or repair a product for free if it goes wrong or if it's not any good. And when I was growing up, there was a popular pizza chain called Domino's Pizza. And Domino's Pizza used to guarantee that you would receive your pizza within 30 minutes or it would be free. So if you call them on the phone and say, okay, I want an extra large pepperoni, and then you hang up the phone and it's 7:05, they're supposed to be knocking on your door by 7:35 with your hot pizza. And if they didn't, then your pizza was free. Well, they stopped this practice back in 1993 because it caused their drivers sometimes to drive a little bit unsafely to try to make sure that they arrived on time. But that was, this is an example of the second use, or the second definition of guarantee. They were promising to give the product for free if they didn't arrive within 30 minutes. That was their guarantee. So that's the noun form. Okay? Your adjective participles are guaranteed. Guaranteed. And you have, wow, we gave you a lot of synonyms. Aver or avow, which certify, confirm, declare, and swear. Okay? Aver and avow are, and certify really. These are more on the legal side. No one usually says that informally. But, if you're in the courtroom and the judge might say, do you aver that what you witnessed is true? Or do you avow? Your antonyms are deny or to negate. Negate. This is not true. Okay. That is your Level 2 Academic Word of the Day. Be sure to write an original sentence using guarantee as a verb use the verb form. So I'm going to make you do it again and include an illustration about yourself. Happy studying.